Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Uniswap. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Uniswap broke out a very big and long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and you can see that after the breakout from this channel, we had a very, very nice rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 390%. But the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance of $20. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And now again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. By the way, during this rally, the price then also broke out another smaller down channel as well. And the target for the breakout from this recent down channel was here at the top of the channel at $16.70, and you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target. Here we also have quite long-term up trend line support as well that is coming from the month of October 2020. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that we have here in the month of July 2024. And for example, if the price will be dropped down here, then again it can work as a strong and long-term support for the price line of Uniswap. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a quite long-term trade signal for Uniswap that I shared on 1st of June 2022 with my members. And so far, this move is still in play, but the pricing is geared up from the potential reversals on, and I will show you the targets as per this move as well, because this is a quite long-term trade signal. It is formed on the monthly time frame chart, therefore still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Troy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this trade signal I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on and sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal for Uniswap that I shared on 1st of June 2022 with my members. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Uniswap formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern. And now, if I play this chart, by the way, I shared this signal at that time, it was moving at $5.63. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has geared up from this buying zone. And so far, within few moments, it will show us how the price line moved up from the buying zone. And here you can see that so far, it has pumped almost up to $19.47. Now, if we take a look at the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartner move, that sell target zone starts from $23.99 and goes to $37.73. And now you can see that we are very close to hit this sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Uniswap. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that recently for the past several months, the price line was moving inside this channel. We have again broken out another channel. Previously, we broke out this bigger down channel and this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for the breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. It's $13, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and we have also achieved the target for the breakout from this channel as well. Now we need to break out this next long-term resistance of $20 from where the price line is rejected. And right now, the price is also testing this long-term support of $13. That was recently working as a resistance here and for a few weeks or months, even several weeks or months from the month of May 2022, 2021 up till the month of December 2021, it has been breaking as a very, very strong support. Therefore, this time it can again break as a strong support. And in case of a successful retest, it can again move up to the next resistance of $20 to make another attempt to break it out. By the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.